This is a special design Android tablet. It do not have the front-end camera and the backup camera. The front-end camera uses the HDMI 1 to replace it. The backup camera uses the HDMI 2 to replace. Enter Mini Pro as a video source. Channel 1 is Sony DVD player. Channel 2 is iPhone. I will use this special Android tablet to run some app, for example, internal camera, Instagram, and Facebook Live, TikTok. Okay, now I use the HDMI 1 to test. HDMI 1 is replace the front end camera. I turn on the camera app, this one. This can switch the front end or backup camera. Backup, no video, front end again. And you can switch the video. The video is iPhone. Because it is replace the front end camera, so you can see the world is mirror. But if you change to the backup camera, the video is normal. Yes, and I switch the video source. Yes, you see, the video is normal, no mirror. Okay, I can switch from the Sony DVD player. Yes, and then I do the Facebook Live. This is Facebook Live. Switch. Yes, I switch. How do I create a vertical video? If you want to use a camera to do live streaming, you just turn the camera for 90 degrees. I use a Sony DVD to simulation a 90-degree camera. For example, you see, this is Sony DVD format. Yes. And you can switch. Okay, we can do the live streaming. You can see the real live streaming. Facebook. Turn on. Live streaming. Audio. Just change. Instagram. Yes, and the switch. I tested the TikTok. You can change the another 90 degree. It is no problem. And you see, okay? Just change another 90 degree. I tested the room. Yes. Test the Skype. Yes. Yes. Test the 17 Live. Star Live. If no video, switch the camera source. Yes. Switch. Go live. Test the line. If the video is not good, please switch another 90 degree.